Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. And whoever said that having kids meant you had to sacrifice your home's style? I know I never did. That's why I love this diaper changing table from Beberoad Love. I have never seen such a good looking diaper changing table. I love this nice, clean white bassinet. I love the real wood legs and then this convenient attached pouch to hold diapers, wipes, and creams. This is lightweight and easy to move around. I can move it to a room that is not in use when we're entertaining so easily. I can move it by myself. But just because it moves easily does not mean that it's not sturdy. All four legs are on an angle, adding to the stability of this changing station. And not only are the legs nice and sturdy and stable, but they have a really great grip on the bottom. But there's more. This changing table is also height adjustable. And to adjust the height, it's not one of those snap and click deals, but it's actually done by adding and removing pieces from the bottom of the leg. So you don't have to worry about any slippage. It's going to stay right where it's at. This is a, dare I say, beautiful baby changing table that goes great with my home decor. And above and beyond that, it is sturdy. And that's my point of view.